Hello, Assalam Alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Iqbal's World YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is disability insurance and its type. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is disability insurance and its type. When you search what is disability insurance, the website page will be opened. You just click in this first website, what is disability insurance. When you click this website, the page will be opened of disability insurance. What is disability insurance? Definition and how it protects you. What is disability insurance? As its name suggests, disability insurance is the type of the insurance product that provides income in the event of the policyholder is prevented from of the working and earning an income due to their disability. In the United States, individual can obtain disability insurance from of the government throughout social society system that can also purchase disability insurance from of the private insurer. Key and takeaways: disability insurance is the type of the insurance protecting against loss of the income due to the disability. Disability insurance is available throughout both public and private programs. Some of the variables affecting the cost of the disability insurance include the strictness of the requirement and qualifying under the plans. How disability insurance works? Oftentimes, insurance product will protect against a specific loss such as when a property and casualty insurance plan remembrance and the policyholder for the value of the stolen property. However, in the cases of the disability insurance, the compensation relates the loss of the income caused by the disability. For example, if the worker earned $50,000 per year prior to the becoming disabled, and if their disability prevented them from of the continuing to work, their disability insurance would be compensated them and a portion of this lost income provided the qualify. In this sense, disability insurance essentially covered by the opportunity cost and the new disabled workers. In practices, there are many conditions that our policyholders must justify in the orders to receive these payments. This is particularly true to regard and the U.S. social society systems. The qualify of the government-sponsored disability insurance applicants and must be proof of their disability is so as served and prevent them from of the engineering the type of the meaningful work at all. By contrast, some of the private plans only require to the applicant and demonstrate that there can be longer continue to be some lines of the work and they were previously engaged in. The social society security system also required applicants to demonstrate their disability to extract and last of the at least 12 months on their expected in the result is death. As well as the type of the insurance, disability insurance plans will be carry more expensive premiums if their terms of the condition are more favorable to their policyholder conventionally and plans of the less generous terms and will be typically carry lower insurance premiums. Some of the key features that are affected insurance premiums is disability insurance plan including the length of the elimination period, which is the length of the time and that the applicant must be after becoming disabled before they can begin receiving benefits, the benefit period, which is how long those benefits continue to be paid, and how to strict to definitions disability is under the policy. Real world example of the disability insurance as a rough estimated disability insurance typically cost about 2% of the annual salary of the person being insured. Of course, the actual amount will be dependent on the insurance carrier and the policy features such as those discussed about different individuals with different performance in the term of how much they are willing to pay exchange of the greater or the proper protection from of the potential disability. Worker as long as if they are become disabled, they may be still be able to the work and the annual field, but they are would very likely require to the significant losses of income. For this reason, this is dedicated to the purchase and relatively expensive disability insurance plans and has a flexible definition of disability. Because of a worker a higher income, they can easily afford their relatively high premiums. Worker B, on other hand, decided to the OPT for a plan with lower premiums, even if that the plans are the striker definition of disability. In addition to having fewer resources available to pay for premiums, worker B is also less reluctant to work and the era of the outside of their current occupations, since the nature of their work is less than specialized. Trying to go to the anywhere, anytime, once of the world is largest copyright and assist of the change is ready for you. Enjoy competitive pieces And they decided customer support will the trending security, and you will be also to access the Binance tools and make to easier than ever of the view trade history and manage auto investment, view prices, chart and make conversations with the zero fee. Make an account for free, join millions of the trades and invest of the global copyright market.